The morning routine. Get up early in the morning. These times I seen the refresh of nature. I think the the best your exercise of your healthy and your mind and everything, your all thing of memory refresh. If we have to be uh, nature to connect it and nature to observe, or maybe sometime we have disconnected, that is why we have to be feeling stress, or there is the reason we can't and we could not to connect, to really disconnect for nature. Sometimes we have and we have searched the best way of refresh of and better feel for as human being, because as human being we have a lot of taste, a lot of tones, but I think the best taste of you have to be never something do inner self and outweigh your body self and yourself. I think they, they are not exist conscious and inner conscious, because it is the blank lens. It is no way of your want to be find real exact meaning of life. I think the meaning of life to nature, observe to nature, cool, or maybe we have waste of time in useless. I think the useful thing is sound observing and connected your peace with have no out barrier in your as like a boundary around your boundary. So we have a lot of refreshments. As a child we have learned is a crying, that is the nature is very speechless, but they have a lot of beautiful things created for us. There is a many of human being coming in this planet, universe, and all over things unlimited, or maybe we have to right way of your uh, right way of the for as which is for us like. So I think the purity of the value of your uh, connected for your is a as like as a full observe and learn it and drink it easily. So that is the purity of the nature.